I'm Paul Wheaton, and this is my 16th Kickstarter. When you're bonkers about permaculture, you might seem a bit crazy to friends and family. 12 years ago, we came out with a deck of permaculture playing cards. The idea was to give the decks to people as gifts, so you seem less crazy. It worked so well, people asked for another deck. We slowly put together a list of more than 100 card ideas, took the best, and we now present the purple deck. The magic is that you give a deck of cards to somebody that thinks you're crazy. They open the deck and look at 2 cards, giving each of the 2 cards 7 seconds of their time. We hope to hook them into permaculture in 2 cards. Is there enough interest in these cards to get them printed?